Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change clothes in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just hit start button or option key, and just right here on this screen we need to head over to the section My Career, and just right here we need to choose the option appearance. On this screen choose the area where you would love to change your outfit. I'm gonna choose the city, and yep, this is the screen from where you can change clothes. You can change top, bottom, shoes, as well as dress shirt, blazer. So it will depend how many of them you have unlocked. I do not have a lot of them, but let me show you how you can change the clothes exactly. Let's say I want to change bottom. I can just select that and just choose the one which I would love to choose, like this. And similarly you can go for dress shirt and choose the dress shirt like this. And yep, there you go. This is exactly how you can change clothes. Similarly you can change your blazer, top, shoes, socks, and so on. To save these changes, just get back from this, back again back, and yep, there you go. The clothes has been successfully changed, and that's exactly how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.